I go to work every morning because I want to. I leave the house excited. I ask myself, how did I get here? It wasn't just luck. I started over 10 years ago with nothing. Just a mountain of debt, little clinical experience, and no business being in business. Needless to say, I have made many mistakes, but I kept persevering. I learned that the end of dental school was just the beginning of my education. I had a dream to see fewer people, to work less, to be rid of insurance, to do engaging work, to be debt-free. So I went back to school. Only now I could choose my professors and the courses they taught. I finally figured it out. I could see one person a morning, not 10. I could change their smile, their health, their lives. I could finish my day before noon if I wanted to and enjoy life more. In the process, I drastically changed my own life. I found freedom. I created BeyondDentistry to empower dentists. Our curriculum will teach you the dental skills and business strategies to build the practice of your dreams. We will teach implant surgery and full arch prosthetics, occlusion, full mouth reconstruction with crowns and veneers, sedation, marketing, and debt management. It's a competitive world out there. Be different. Find the edge to grow your business and change your life. Unlearn everything you were taught in school and see dentistry from new heights. Be inspired every day. Join me in Portland this October. I look forward to meeting you and helping you beyond dentistry.